Hi kids! Are you ready to draw a super cool rocket to send our little astronaut into space? Let's go! First, I take my black marker and draw a big triangle, but the top sides are soft and a little curved like this. Now I draw a short, thick line across the top. That's the rocket's tip. Next, let's draw two circles inside each other. These are the rocket's windows. Peekaboo! Let's add wings to help it fly. I draw two small wings on the sides using curvy lines. And in the middle, a third wing shaped like a big drop. We're seeing this one from the front. Under the rocket, I draw a skinny rectangle. This is where the fire blasts out when the rocket launches. Now I add two little square shapes on the side wings. Yep, fire comes out there too. Whoosh, let's draw big bright flames coming out from the bottom. And two tiny flames coming from the side wings. Zoom zoom, ready for launch. Now, I use a darker marker to go over the rocket and make it stand out. Wow, it's looking super strong and space ready. Let's color it together, ready? Here are the colors we'll use. Red. Orange. Yellow. Dark blue. Light blue. Medium blue. Yay! Our rocket is ready! But wait! Someone's waiting to use it. Can you guess who? That's right! Our little astronaut from before. Keep drawing, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.